Baginang patay kubor Myntri Rangbah ke Jelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulaong bulayo ay jingpyntreikam baga Meghalaya kalata meka national average haka jingpyntreikam meka jal jivan mission. Ulaong bahaka por basdang ban pentreikam meka jal jivan mission kelalong tang not point nyausan na kasispa kabalong kabaduna tam hakari. Henry menta daga jing trishtom jang borok ki engineer ki officer ki tenat sorkar bat ki menteri sorkar ka Meghalaya kalata meka national average kabalong nyaupuar point iway na kasispa. Bat ka Meghalaya pat kalakan jo syakah nyaupuar point lai nyau na kasispa. Ukonrad Kongkal Sangma ulapan pawe ke jing Kmen ke baskem baga jelakan lak ban pen urlong no ya ke jing botong ke basispa na kasispa ban pentreikam purai ke project ban pen poi ke umbam umdi haman lagi teliu yeng. Myntri Rangbah ulaong ru bakilami ki jing ka jing pentreikam ke project bat ke jing ka baga sorkar kamat kadai halor ke jing don jiki telong Henry ulah kami ilinti baleng ba ka jinget trailang jong borok ki tenat sorkar ki begentop eka water resources, soil conservation, forest bat ki kibai. Ken kami benya akilat kelinti banya khoni kini ki jing ki baki ya kendo. Myntri Rangbah ulaong baya kene mission labo thong badai ban pendap hau benai leber ke senam arajar arpusau hagari India barokawai. Bat ke sorkar kan persang ban kenjo syaka shispa na kasispa. Henry namar kindon kishnong bat kiyeng ki bandon haki kendong kensyurot bat ki jaka ki balong riat bha. Bat kan long kebae. Henry ke sorkar kan persangkat bala ba ka Meghalaya kadai bet ban palat eka khandai pho na kasispa atam hau leber. Tang bakin bo bet pat eka thong ban poi syaka shispa na kasispa karo leber ke senem arhajar arpusau.
So today we have just been informed that Meghalaya has today crossed the national average in terms of the connections for the Jal Jeevan mission, JJM. If you recall, when we had started the mission, Meghalaya was at 0.75%, which was the lowest in the country. And today, after a lot of hard work being done by all the engineers, officials, the department, the ministers, today we have finally crossed the national average, which is at 72.1, but Meghalaya today is at 72.3%. And we are very, very sure that in a very, very short time, we will be able to fulfill the target also. And we may be one of the first few states to actually complete 100% connections. But while we say that, there are many challenges, because apart from giving the connections, we have challenges of water source itself. And hence we are working with all the concerned departments like water resources, soil conservation, forest department and other concerned departments to see how we could mitigate and adapt to these kind of challenges that we are facing where source is an issue. But leaving that on the side, I'm very happy that we have finally crossed the national average in terms of the connections, and I really like to congratulate the concerned minister and the entire team, especially the engineers and the officials and the contractors who have made this possible. Thank you very much.
So when do we expect that this mission will be completed, in which year?
The mission is meant to be completed for the nation as a whole by March 2024. But from the numbers, we can see that large number of states may not be able to touch that. But definitely we will see that Meghalaya, if not 100%, we will definitely cross 90% by March, and we will strive towards going to 100%, because there could be very, very remote villages and remote houses which may require or the terrain is very tough, which may be very difficult. But we would see that Meghalaya should be able to touch 90% plus by March, and we will strive towards going to 100% within March 2024.